Hello. There are two ways to start trading cryptocurrency as a beginner, and in this video I want to share with us the two ways to start trading cryptocurrency. I'm sure it is one of the most difficult phase for you as a beginner. Honestly, Nathaniel is my name and I teach you how to make money. You would want to subscribe to my channel for more updates about cryptocurrency. Now, there are two ways for you to start trading cryptocurrency. Number one, you would want to learn the definitions. What does it mean to trade cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? What is wallets? How do you buy? How do you sell? What is exchange? What is wallet? How do you go about this, that? It's going to take a lot of time, and at the end of the day you might even give up because you see that you are not making money, but you are learning, you're getting the knowledge. It's frustrating. I was there. The number two is for you to learn how to buy and sell. Forget about the definitions, you just go straight into buying and selling. The principle of trading is for you to buy when price is down and sell when price is up. And you know, we have two types of crypto trading. Well, some of us don't know. We have two types of crypto trading. We have the spot trading and we have the futures trading. Futures trading allows you to buy when price is down, sell when price is up, also sell when price is up, and buy when price is down. Yes, you heard me right. Sell, then buy. As soon as you know how to buy and sell cryptocurrency, you go straight into buying and selling. You go to the spot trading, especially for those of us using Binance, you would see the interface of trade. Learn how to buy and sell, buy any cryptocurrency at all, just to practice and not for the aim of making a lot of money at that point. There is no business that pays immediately when you start. You need time, you need process, and this process is one thing we all want to jump. All right, don't jump the process. Yes, I am talking to you. The next thing is you just go straight into futures trading, which most persons are afraid of. Don't be scared or tired of this process because it can change your story for life. When you go into futures trading, you would want to learn the interface. How does it work? What is margin? What is liquidity? What is leverage? How do you calculate your liquidity? And you learn the interface. You learn what it means to short. You learn what it means to long. And once you know this, you start immediately. Yes, don't wait for me. Don't wait for a lot of money. $10, $20 can help you. You can just start trading. Remember, you don't want to make money with this. You want to learn more. You want to gain experience. It is the experience that will help you on the long run. We traders still lose money after a lot of information or knowledge about trading. Now, when you start trading and you understand the interface, this will be the right time for you to improve yourself in knowledge. So go into learning the technical analysis, go into learning the fundamentals, proper learning. You would want to check out for some indicators, very popular indicators, like what is the RSI, what is the MACD. You see all those indicators on Binance. Know them. What is candlestick? You don't even need to know their names. You just need to know the functions and how do they affect the markets. What is the reversal and the continuation candlestick, the popular patterns like the double bottom and the double top, the flag, the rectangular pattern and all that. See, if you know these things, it will help you want to trade more, because the more you get this knowledge, the more you want to test them out. This is the best way to trade for me. You don't have to wait for everything to be right before you start making money. When you begin to learn more about these processes, it will boost your confidence and would make you psychologically fit for trading. This is one way to easily start making money, because you wouldn't want to wait till you get the whole knowledge and become a pro. Now, nobody has the whole knowledge. No matter how knowledgeable you are in cryptocurrency, you will still lose money. Those of us who are waiting till everything is perfect before we start trading futures, that is not the right path. Okay, if this video was helpful, which I believe it is, you can just subscribe to my channel and learn more about how to trade. Thank you.